Welcome to my fifth tutorial, and today we'll be talking about ABCYA. ABCYA is an educational website providing children with a lot of activities related to their subjects at school. One of the activities I found very interesting is to create animation. Well, I found many bugs when trying to create one animation, but it still does the job. It still teaches the student how to create animation. Okay, so don't wait no more. Let's get their free subscription today and start learning how to create animation with ABCYA.
Guacamole!
To draw, you can use paintbrush, which is over here. You can also adjust the size of the tip, and this is to change color. Let's say I'm going to draw a tree over here. I also found there is no coloring tool over here. So to give color, you just have to change the tip bigger and use the same tool, which is the paintbrush. For the characters, I would recommend you to use stickers instead. Stickers could be found here. Anyway, this is the eraser tool, and this is his shape tool. This is text tool, and I do not recommend you to use this as this is buggy. You will record your voice later on in movie editing phase, which will be after you're done with the animation. Let's say I have this character, boy over here. I'm gonna make him big first, as he is really near the camera at the moment, and he's moving towards the tree, and you'll see later on his size will be smaller. We can adjust the size as well. You want to move around the drawing that you made, you can also use the selection tool over there. There's the arrow. Yeah, this is to select and move things around over there. And to create background, you can click edit background right here. And choose the background you like. As I mentioned, if you need to move the drawing down, you could also do that. Now, in order to create a new slide, you don't have to redraw everything again, a new frame, you can click copy frame over here. Just click copy frame. It will create the same frame as the number one. You notice there is a problem with the coloring? Well, this is one of the bugs I found in ABCYA. To tackle it, you can click on the part where it changed color and change the color again by clicking the color, the right color. Okay. Now to move the character, you just have to drag him little by little and adjust the size as well. Make the frame again, new frame again, adjust the size again. Copy frame again, adjust the size again. Copy frame again, adjust the size again. Copy frame again, adjust the size again. Remember to have the movement little by little, because you don't want your animation to be jumpy. So each frame needs to only have different amount of movement. Don't make it too much. In order to play your animation, you just have to click the play button right here. To save your work, once you're done with one scene, you just have to click this and click Save Animation. It will make a GIF file. Once it has a GIF file, click on that file and you can simply press spacebar to play your animation. That's it from me today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.